Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. This time, I'm fixing the animal. This particular Model A Ratrod does not have a speedometer. I know that might come as a surprise to some of you, but it just never happened. I didn't have room to put a nice cable-driven speedometer in there. An Autometer has some really nice ones, but they're way out of my budget. So, like usual, I have to get creative. I went on Amazon and found this little guy. It's like 16 bucks. GPS speedometer, it plugs in with a USB. So I'm gonna get this set up in my car. And I figured there was probably an easy way to just hardwire it in, but I decided, you know what? I'm gonna wire this USB converter, adapter, plug, I don't know what the hell it is, up underneath my dash so it's kind of hidden so you don't really see it. This way I can charge my phone and I can have a speedometer in the Ratrod. It's genius. You know, for less than $40, I'm gonna have a speedometer, a digital readout one. Granted, it's not aesthetically correct to this car, but I think I can find somewhere to put it where it doesn't really stand out if it's at shows or whatnot. It's just kind of there. I'm thinking, if not, it's whatever. I used to use my phone for a speedometer, but what would always happen, I would never remember to set my speedometer up before I left the place I was at. Nope, I was usually 5 miles down the road and remember I need a speedometer. Being I want to usually take videos and pictures while somebody else is driving, I needed something separate. I'm saving my phone. I'm not running my battery down, running the GPS speedometer on it constantly. I'm also going to have the ability to charge my phone now. So let's get it in. I got this wire here still running on my dash. I don't know what my plan was with this originally. It's for the wipers on a typical circuit setup. Clearly I don't have wipers, so I don't have any idea what I was thinking of doing with it. I don't really remember, but we're absolutely going to use it for powering my USB port. It's already fused, it's just perfect. There's also this wire. I don't know, I'm assuming it's a power wire for something, but I don't know what it is, and there's no voltage in it, so I'm going to have to track this one down and figure it out, but that's neither here nor there. I don't even care at this point. This is the wire I want. This is the one we need to work with. It's got power with key on, hopefully no power with key off. I should probably check that. Key off, no power. Well, 0.094, whatever the hell that is, I don't know. Now we just need to figure out where we're gonna put it exactly up. Just don't look that way. Up in here is where I'm gonna put it somewhere. Probably with a zip tie, yeah. This is slowly coming together like it's an actual plan. And that kind of scares me a little bit. But here's what I got. This little guy fits up here nice and snug, so it's kind of hidden if somebody was to like look in the car, you know, they don't see that right away. So I like that idea. The cord kind of goes down and around, and I'm behind the dash, and I got it snuck out right here, so I could put my plug right here or anywhere really. Behind the cup holders, I don't know, somewhere. And it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, and I can still utilize it for like charging my phone because that's important. I think this is what we're gonna do. I mean, this is just kind of wedged into here. I don't want it doing that. I want it to end falling out. So just a little magnet on the back of it, just to secure it just a little teeny weeny tiny bit. Yep, that's what we're doing. You may be asking yourself why I chose that spot. Simple. It was flat, there's nothing behind it, and I can get my drill into it without taking anything else apart. Whoa, that went way quicker than I expected. Next. Uh-oh. She may have got a little wedged in there. No big deal, no problem, it's all under control. Now we just hope it fits. Perfect. Almost, it's almost perfect. It's perfect enough. I'm gonna ditch this cover for now because it's just too much of a, it's getting in the way. Get in the hole. Now the real question is where I'm gonna ground this damn thing. Oh my God, that won't come off of there. What the? Give it back. Well, that's a nice snug fit, that's for sure. This probably should have gone in first, huh? Think I can squeeze it through? No. Damn it. Yeah, we'll just take it apart here. Easy peasy. I'll get my stuff figured out here one day. Not likely. Oh, I didn't think about this part. Oh, this might be a problem. Up underneath there, in the backs, there's not enough room for the nut. God, I'm a genius. Alright, I was able to make it work. This wire's way too long now. That's good to know. But that ground will reach to that ground. Oh, perfect. It was like meant to be. Oh, I am sweating like a stuck pig already. Damn it. Look, it's coming through my shirt and everything. And all I've done is a little measly wiring. Wow, it is humid. But it's not snowing, so I'm okay with it. All right, let's turn our key on here. Oh, we got power, 12 volts. It even tells me how many volts I have. I'm gonna plug this little doohickey in here like that. As soon as that thing finds its GPS, that'll have numbers on it, and we've got a speedometer in a 1928 Model A. It's one of my better ideas. I ain't gonna lie to you. Less than 40 bucks. Digital speedometer, no more phone, is GPS speedometer. That frees up my phone for other things. We're not gonna talk about what those other things are though. But I won't be draining my battery on my phone for a speedometer anymore. It takes a little bit sometimes. I mean, it's in a car, in a garage, so it's probably gonna take a little bit to find the GPS, but it will find it. I have tested it. I've been testing it in my daily driver, and there we go. That's what she looks like. We'll have to part the ways and get this thing out and go for a little test drive and see how she works. Sweet. Well, we're gonna give her a go here. It seems to be working, so we're gonna try it and see what happens. So just for a recap, for anybody looking to do a simple speedometer that's GPS reading, doesn't cost a lot of money, doesn't take a lot of effort to install, what I put in the Model A, it's mint. I mean, I'll give it some more miles and we'll see how we like it, but so far, I'm pretty happy with it. For 16 bucks, and then the extra USB port was 20 or so. You just can't beat that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya!